Hey guys, I'm Jeremy Marriott, Master Stylist with usmooth. Today I'm going to be using usmooth's Infinite Iron. You could use the Infinite Iron to create 3 distinct looks. We can use it for straight and polished looks, we can use it for curls, and we can also use it to create waves. Today I want to walk you through some techniques on creating waves with the new Infinite Iron. To create the waves that I'm going to do today, it's going to be a rocking motion. We're going to be going forward, and as we come down the hair, then we'll roll back, and then we'll roll forward, and then we're gonna roll back. If we wanna create volume and lift, our first roll that we're going to do is going to lift off the scalp. Now, if we wanna compress the volume, you're gonna roll towards, and so that that first shape will push against. And you'll notice I'm holding the ends of the hair to create the tension. The tension on the Infinite Iron is already predetermined as far as the plates are concerned. So any additional tension you want to create, you're going to do it by holding the ends of the hair and just using pressure onto the hair. And the plates are rounded and they're floating, so you don't have to worry about creating any creases in the hair. And I'm using our Flex hairspray, just a light hold working spray. So we're wrapping up. So you can see how fast this is and how easy it would be to do yourself. The great thing is the consistency in the wave. So we've all seen the videos of people doing this with a flat iron and fighting the creases and getting some kind of consistency with the wave. Well, this does all of that for you. And you can see how quickly it can be done. And it's just simple motion. You don't have to think about how hard to press together plates or anything like that. It's just getting in a rhythm of owning the rocking motion back and forth. And then the last thing, once we shake out these waves, is I'm gonna go in with shine just to create that little extra shine. And then of course, especially on red color, our UV protection so that we don't lose any of that pretty red.